In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access eBay Seller Hub. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can get to your seller dashboard quickly and confidently. First, open your web browser and go to ebay.com. Make sure you're signed into the account you use for selling. If you're not signed in, eBay may prompt you to log in as you proceed, which is totally normal. Seller Hub works best on a desktop or laptop, so if you're on mobile and don't see the same options, consider switching to a computer or using your browser's desktop view. Once you're on eBay's homepage, move your mouse to the top right area of the screen and hover over the How You eBay menu. Don't click yet. Just pause your cursor over it. When you hover, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is your quick gateway to all your account areas, and hovering helps reveal those shortcuts without navigating away. From that drop-down, click on Selling. This link is the direct path into your selling tools. If you're already enrolled in Seller Hub, it will take you straight there. If you're new to Seller Hub or haven't enabled it before, eBay may briefly show a confirmation or setup screen. In that case, simply confirm to continue. If you don't see the selling option at all, double check that you're logged in. And remember that regional versions of eBay can place menus slightly differently, but My eBay and Selling are the key terms to look for. After you click Selling, you'll land on Seller Hub. This is your central dashboard for running your eBay business. Here, you'll typically see an overview with modules for your active listings, tasks that might need attention, recent orders, and shortcuts to create or manage listings. Across the top, you'll find tabs such as Orders, Listings, Marketing, Performance, and Payments. You don't need to click anything right now. Just know that this is where you can monitor sales, respond to buyer messages, track metrics, and handle payouts. If your overview looks busy, remember that many sections can be customized. You can expand, collapse, or rearrange modules to prioritize what matters most, like shipping tasks or items awaiting payment. And if something doesn't load as expected, a quick browser refresh or trying a different browser can help. Keep your account in good standing, and Seller Hub will be the fastest way to manage day-to-day operations. That's it. Hover on My eBay, click Selling, and you're in Seller Hub. Thanks for watching and happy selling.